Happy Formative Friday. It is the 23rd of September. This is the first thing that we did with the formative. This is week 7. The answers are listed here. 5 questions, 5 points, very, very simple, based on the information that we did over the last 3 days. A couple of the classes, periods 3 and 4, you got this information through a Socratic seminar, periods 1, 2, 6, 7. Got this information more of kind of a traditional PowerPoint that we showed yesterday. But either way, this is the information that you were responsible for, and these questions will appear again on the test next Thursday. So there's Formative Friday. From there, we took notes over Canada, looked at the history. Things that we focused on specifically was that the Vikings did not settle, but they're the ones that explored around 1000 AD. That Quebec City is going to be the first permanent French settlement. This is going to be significant in a couple of slides here. The French were interested in North America for all 3 of these reasons. And again, just pause this if you need to. The French were defeated by the British, but the French were allowed to stay in that area because of this thing here called the Quebec Act. And essentially, as it reads here, the French were still under the control of the British, but they needed to side with the British against the U.S. if that ever happened. And then just a real easy T-chart here. Quebec and Ontario, the provinces, the difference between the two. Quebec seems to retain a lot of its more French roots, which makes sense because the capital of Quebec, the province, is Quebec City. Quebec City, again, is that first French settlement. So it just makes sense the official documents are in French, 90% of the people are native French speakers, and that their religion is Roman Catholic. So we worked on this, and there was also a map, which I don't have a digital copy of, but if you have any questions, I've got extra copies here at school. So if you missed a day, you missed a lot.